Bridges in the United States, all 660,000 of them, continue to deteriorate every day. The DOTs across the country cannot replace all those bridges. Therefore, they have to figure out a way to preserve those bridges. And that's where we're going with the Bridge Preservation Initiative at GPI.
Bridge preservation at GPI has been our passion for over 50 years. We have been involved with some of the most historic bridges in the country, helping them maintain their integrity, how to keep their bridges in a state of good repair.
The last two federal authorized acts, the MAP 21 Act and the FAST Act, both required state DOTs to manage and preserve their infrastructure assets, the pavements, the bridges, their signs, their guide rail, etc. By doing so, it allowed states to fund preservation activities which were normally not funded by federal highway. So what we're trying to do is capture the GPI bridge experience and recast it as bridge preservation in the bridge preservation paradigm. And that would be our bridge inspection work, our bridge design work, coatings, and other things that we do as a firm.
We do all aspects of bridge preservation. We have drones, we have airplanes, we take LiDAR, we have mobile LiDAR vans. We know how to collect data on bridges. We have divers that know how to repair bridges underwater. We have subject matter expertise. We have former bridge engineers that help us at GPI. They teach some of our National Highway Institute classes. They also provide expert opinions. Another thing about GPI is we have a national reputation for coatings work. Steel bridges need to be painted and maintained, and we have a great reputation, and we use that expertise to help other people learn more about bridge preservation.
And basically, my role will be to visit our branch offices and be able to share our vision of bridge preservation, but also to listen to them and understand what it is that they do well and what we're able to provide to our clients. And then the next piece of that will be visiting the clients that those branches service, and we'll be able to share with them the capabilities that GPI has in the area of bridge preservation.
This is the future. There's just not enough funds to go around and wait till bridges are in such bad shape that they need to be replaced. So we need to learn how to better help bridge owners keep their bridges in good condition.
So that's the idea, is basically fixing your bridges when they need to be fixed and keeping them in a good condition, as opposed to letting them deteriorate so you can only replace them. Because when that comes around, there's too much money, there's too much inconvenience to the motorists and everyone else.